YouTube has stopped paying channels that use only AI under new rules. This is a concern for many faceless channels. But we have found 9 automation-friendly niches that are still getting approved. And you can monetize and make money with these high CPM niches. So if you want to make money, don't waste time and choose a niche that suits you and start making money. Number 1. Educational niche. This niche is one of the niches with the highest RPM. I know you may be saying that I have no knowledge about education, but nowadays, there is so much educational content on YouTube that you can learn and do anything by watching just a few videos. Many people do this. For example, by making scientific videos, historical videos, tutorials, and also what is most in demand on YouTube by making how-to videos and releasing general educational content. You can make money by becoming monetized, because YouTube now only wants you to provide valuable and educational content. So by combining your participation with AI, you are complying with YouTube's rules. Can you believe that a regular channel earns over $100,000 a month without showing its face? Yes, nothing but curiosity might be your most profitable tool on YouTube. Imagine a video opens with a strange claim. Check out this channel, which has over 4.8 million subscribers. A video has been viewed over 630,000 times in 3 days since it was released. And this one video might earn more in a day than a full-time job pays in a month. Let's look at another channel which has 2.9 million subscribers. This video received over 100,000 views in 21 hours after it was released. These channels make thousands of dollars per month from their videos, using audio and various visuals. Their videos dive into strange science, mind-blowing geography, and quirky human history. And because they explain, not just read facts off a screen, they stay fully compliant with YouTube's new policy. You see, YouTube now wants content that actually teaches or adds value. You can start with educational and explainer videos like science, history, geopolitics, case studies, or how-to videos. But if your video just copies a Wikipedia article, it's likely to be demonetized. Instead, if you add visuals, narration, and some personal insight, even if it's AI-assisted, it counts as original. Number 2. Finance and investing. This niche often commands the highest RPM. Becuse advertisers as banking, stocks, crypto, and trading are willing to pay a premium to reach a wealthy, financially engaged audience. And it can go viral quickly. If you ask why, there is no one who does not want to know about money. Because the most important thing in our lives is money. And many people also need help. QU also came with the solution. Where do I get it from? It's easy. You don't need to be a certified expert to start. What you do need is curiosity and consistent work. First, go to a channel that has the same idea as you're trying to make. Then it's about making their video your own way. Just take any basic topic. How to set a monthly budget, why you should avoid credit card debt, or what really happened during this month's stock market crash. Give information about the world's banks, about insurance companies, about the economic resources of a country. Use simple visuals, but your script, your thought process, your interpretation, that's what matters. YouTube's new policy supports this kind of content because it has real value. And the good thing is that these channels are made faceless. Number 3. Technology reviews. Now, tell me, what do you do when you want to know which phone is best for your budget or which tablet is best for your work? You open YouTube and look for a simple review. Maybe the best tablet model of 2025 or the top 5 smartphones under 20,000, right? Before people commit to buying an expensive phone, tablet, microphone, or other technology gadget, they tend to seek out reviews to help them make a decision. And one of the most profitable niches on YouTube is technology reviews. And now is the time for technology. With all the new shiny tech things coming out every day, there is a huge demand for these videos, and tech review YouTube channels are racking up millions of views every month. These types of videos don't just get views. They often make more money per view than vlogs, commentaries, or entertainment clips. Why? Because tech content is advertiser-friendly. It's the kind of information people are looking for over and over again. And best of all, this niche naturally follows YouTube's latest monetization rules. And if your choice is technology, it's an easy niche to work in. You can go to Google or ChatGPT and ask them for complete information about a technology. The only other way is to watch previously made videos on YouTube and steal their ideas, then narrate using your own or AI's voice. If you're new, start small. Focus on a subtopic like AI tools, smartphone comparisons, or app tutorials. Number 4. Luxury niche. Imagine if you were watching a video and an expensive car or a famous person's luxury home came by. Would you pass it by? I don't think so. Look, it's what YouTube calls evergreen, the kind of information people keep searching for again and again. And more importantly, this niche naturally follows YouTube's latest monetization rules, because they have the power to attract viewers, and advertisers are big companies, so they have a highest RPM. If you choose this niche, you can work in many ways. For example, you can describe the world's luxury watches, diamonds, gold, necklaces, rings, what they are made of, where they are found, and the lives of famous people, their cars, and their homes by taking information from the internet and taking various photos. Explaining in your own way makes your channel legitimate, so you can easily monetize and earn dollars. Number 5. AI tools and software tutorials. There are 4.88 billion smartphone users worldwide. This figure represents more than 60% of the world's population. So how many of these people have clear information about AI tools? Here's a big opportunity. How? Because it's time for artificial intelligence, AI. That's so you can teach the use of AI tools, applications, or software you know and use, just by using the screen record app on your phone. For example, you want to learn how to use VOA 3. So, you come on YouTube and click on a video titled How to Use VOA 3. What you see is a faceless, simple screen recording explaining VOA 3. What to click, where to go, and how to make it work. 6 minutes in, you've learned something genuinely useful. These channels make between $40 and $700 a day just by teaching people about ChatGPT, CapCut, Canva, VOA 3, or Notion and various websites. For this, you don't need to be on camera. All you need is helpful, well-explained content that people are actively searching for. Why does this work so well? Because this niche tutorials about AI and SAS tools is riding a wave. Plus, since you are showing your own screen recording, it automatically becomes unique content, which follows the new policy of YouTube. In addition, it's education, which the YouTube algorithm loves. And that's what gives these videos high CPMs. Number 6. Health niche. Yes, you don't have to be a doctor to work in the health niche. Most of the doctors on YouTube are fake doctors. Most channels working in the health niche only work by taking information from Google and using specific stock photos, videos, and AI. For example, you can work on these simple topics. 5 foods that help you lose weight, 8 health benefits of eating fish, and 4 foods that are harmful to your health. In addition, they have a high RPM because they have educational content. So you can make money using this easy way. Number 7. Beauty and fashion. Beauty YouTube channels are highly in demand because the beauty industry is booming. It's worth over $500 billion. Nowadays, new trends are flooding the media every hour. So you can turn the fashion and beauty niche into a lucrative source of income. Because with many consumers looking for beauty-related content like makeup tutorials, product reviews, and first impressions of new products to watch on YouTube. Profitable fashion content includes things like clothing hauls, capsule wardrobe tips, styling advice. You can explain the ingredients of different beauty products, the ingredients they use, and the design of different clothing brands. If you are thinking of working in this niche, you don't have to worry about what kind of video to make. Because new trends emerge every day. If you have the time, you can quickly grow your channel by making one video every day. Number 8. Travel and vlogs. One of the most popular niches on YouTube right now is travel and vlogs. To do this, you can vlog about recreational areas, tourist destinations, and natural heritage sites in your area without having to go far, using only the phone camera in your hand. If you can do this, you can also create your own video by taking ideas from travel videos on YouTube and collecting photos and copyright-free videos of places that relate to the ideas you have taken. Don't think that these videos won't be viewed because they're remade. In fact, if your video presentation and video editing are beautiful, you can get more views than the original video. For example, if we look at the Eiffel Tower, which is known to many people around the world, there are at least 1,000 videos about it on YouTube alone. But still, if you make videos about this tower, you can get thousands of views. But it's best to add your own voice to make your video original. Or you can use a high-quality AI voice. Number 9. Book review. This niche is great for both the viewer and the channels that work in this niche. Because if someone buys a book and reads it and doesn't like it, they've wasted their money and time. These channels are the solution to this waste. People are now starting to watch brief descriptions of books on YouTube before buying them. And the beast part, since there are not many channels of this type on YouTube, if you have the desire and experience to read books or have read them, you can read them in 8 minutes by extracting the important points in the book. But since such channels don't go viral quickly, you have to work with consistency and discipline. But once your videos start going viral, you can make $40 to $300 a day. In addition, it complies with YouTube's new rules, as it is similar to educational content. Remember, YouTube is currently banning channels that only use AI and don't convey any message. So if you can make videos that are educational and convey a message to the audience, you can easily become monetized. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.